been here for 22 years now, and we often get customers coming back.
People are so busy in their lives now, they don't have time to spend weeks and weeks going tile shopping. So if they get a recommendation or they were happy here last time, then they just come back.
They often tell us that someone sent them in, or their grandfather sent them in, or their uncle, or their neighbour, their friend. Word of mouth is critical for us. Be able to give the customer the options of having a huge selection. There's too much to choose from these days, and not everyone wants the same thing.
There was a bigger market out there that we could still keep the people that, wanted the cash and carry and the seconds and the clearance stock, but we still had the same customers that also wanted, top end stuff, something a little bit different, a bit more designer.
What makes us different is our people. The knowledge of our staff is second to none. Everyone's super friendly, and they all actually genuinely care about the customer. They want the customer to leave here happy. They want the customer to have the right selection. They do want the customer happy in the end. We have a very good trade base that come through regularly.
I think once you find somewhere that you're comfortable, you've got good service, you've got good product, you're getting good prices, then you're happy to just go back there.
It's incredibly important to keep the level of service and never to drop off. The only way for us to succeed and keep going forward is to be able to keep providing that good customer service.